Now that all the posts are in, everything's kind of cleaned up, got most of the dirt back where it belongs, we need to begin putting in the 4x4s, which will be the first step in getting the horse fencing, I guess is what it's called, put between the 6x6s. So I built a template, which will allow me to use my router to put a 3/4 inch step inside of each of the posts where the 4x4 will slide into. In order to make sure that those are perfectly level all the way around, I've gone ahead and set my laser level up on the ground, and it's shooting a laser beam out, and it's hitting each post, and as I spin it, it will hit the post at the exact same level. And I'm going to put a mark right here in this little cutout with a pencil so that when I come back with my drill to remove most of the material, I know exactly where to drill at. Well, you get the idea. All of the wood that we're using in this build came from trees that were on my property. The trees were mostly in the area where we're building the garden at, and we cut them down, moved all the dirt, and we milled up the trees, and now there's cedar posts and fencing and rails and a lot of decorative woodwork on top there, as you see me putting up. One of the things I wanted to point out was the black fencing was galvanized, and we washed it with vinegar, and then we painted it. Came out really nice, and it's a lot easier to see through when it's black. Overall, we're very pleased with how the fencing has turned out, and it definitely does its job of keeping the deer out. Well, it's time to wrap this one up. As you see here, it is getting dark, and we worked all the way into the night to get the top rail completed so I could move on to the next step in the process. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed. This inspires you to go do something similar. And until next time, thanks for watching.